Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In last video, we discussed about what Zoho Book is, what are the feature of Zoho Book and who should use it. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to set up our organization in Zoho Book. So let's start it. First of all, open your browser and type zoho.books login. Here you will get the first site books.zoho.in. Click on it. After that, write the name of your organization, which are their enterprises. So I will take the name of the enterprise, which I have taken in my case is RDR Enterprises, and organization location is India. Then I will tap on let's get started. Here it will ask you first organization name and second industry. In industry, I will select healthcare industry. Now it is asking for the organization location. So I taken it India, and state or union territory. So I will take it as Delhi. Next, it will ask you the currency. In my case, it is INR. And for the language, I have taken it as a English language. Then if your organization is registered in GST, then we will take it as yes. It will ask you for the GST number. So I will take the GST number and paste it. Then I will click on the get started. Now our organization has been created. You can see the name here. This is my organization ID. Now click on the setting. Here you can see the profile. Here you can upload your logo, and there come down you can add your address here. So I will just take the address, which is this city, Vijwasan, phone number, and proceed. After that, it will ask for the website URL. If you have any website, you can put your URL here. Then it will ask the fiscal year. In my case, it is April to March. Then reporting basis is accrual, language English, and time and date, and you can click on save. Your organization has been set up successfully. So that's all for this video.